Hi, my name's Joe and I'm going to tell you about a problem that plagues millions of websites. A problem that can cost you thousands of dollars in lost sales each year. A problem that causes people to leave your site without buying anything. One of the biggest reasons people leave your website is because they can't get their questions answered in real time. Let me explain. I decided that I was going to buy some adhesive business card pouches that I can hook to a flyer that I was creating. I want to be able to hang the flyer in the grocery stores on the community boards and put my business cards in that pouch so if people read my flyer they can take the card. So I did a Google search and I ended up on this website. So as you can see, this website does offer the product I was looking for. They have it at a reasonable price and you only have to buy 100 of them. Here's your add to cart button, the typical things you'd find on a website. But I had a small question. I was wondering, will those pouches hold more than one card? I need them to hold between 5 or 10 for the little flyer I was doing. So because of this question, I immediately start looking around the site to find some way to ask the question. A number to call, a live chat, a contact us, or something. Well, over here on the left at the very bottom there's a really tiny contact us link. If I go ahead and click on that, it gives me a nice form to fill out. So although this form looks nice and professional, it is obviously telling me I have to ask my question and submit it to them and hope that they will actually get back to me. And the worst thing is, I need those pockets now. I don't want to sit there and wait for someone to get back to me. And another part you see here is I have to type this little CAPTCHA, which when I was entering the question, it took me 3 different times to get that correct. It's like this contact us page is almost saying contact us, but not really. We don't really want to hear from you. This is a problem that millions and millions of websites have. They have a nice product, they have a nice website, but people can't get their questions answered right away. I don't want to sit there and wait for 12 hours for them to answer my question. I mean, you've been a customer before. You know what it's like. You want to know right now. You got to keep moving on with your life. So now that you know what the problem is, how do you correct it? Well, that's simple. You add live chat to your website. So Simple Web Chat is a perfect solution to the problem we just discussed. Simple Web Chat was designed with you in mind. Let's face it, we're marketers too, and we needed a live chat solution that didn't require us to be tied to a desk. We also needed a system that was fast, efficient, and easy to use. We didn't want to be stuck with a monthly service charge. We wanted a system where anybody can work for us from their home or wherever they are at the time. We didn't have very many support issues, but we found that we were losing sales over trivial questions. With all this in mind, we set out to create a world-class chat system that didn't cost a fortune to use. And Simple Web Chat is that system. By adding Simple Web Chat to your website, you can instantly build confidence and credibility with your customers by offering real-time help when they need it. It makes them feel safe dealing with you because they know they can contact you. It increases your credibility because it shows that you're being upfront and willing to interact with them. Simple Web Chat is a live chat system that goes where you go. It uses your cell phone, so if you can receive a text message, it will work for you. No apps to download to your phone, no software to install on your computer, and you can add as many operators as you need. It's easy to install and doesn't require any major tech skills. You can install it on your website in seconds with simple cut and paste code that we provide. No expensive software to download, install, or learn. Works on any Java-enabled browser. Simple Web Chat works like enterprise systems without the cost. Now that you can see how Simple Web Chat can help you make more sales, click on the link below and experience it for yourself. The demo will create a chat session between your computer screen and your cell phone, showing you firsthand the power and flexibility you will have when you use Simple Web Chat.